Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Compliment of the season, guys. After eating all the food and everything on this Christmas and New Year, all you need to do is to start detoxing yourself. Let me show you guys how to detox yourself. The first thing that you'll be needing is pineapple. Pineapple is rich in bromelain and vitamin C, which helps you to promote your skin. Okay, after taking your full large of pineapple, the next thing that you want to do is to peel it off, then slice it and leave it in your bowl. After that, guys, the next thing that we'll be needing is spinach. Spinach is good for your skin. It make you to get rid your body of heavy metal and also aid in the absorption of nutrient and antioxidant. Okay, spinach is good. It contains a source of antioxidant, vitamins like vitamin A and C. Okay, so guys, after that, the next thing that we'll be needing on this video is our cucumber. Cucumber can help you to detox yourself. It's really good to promote a good skin, a good healthy skin. After peeling your cucumber, take it off. The next thing that we'll be needing is our pear. In Italian language, it's called pear. I don't know what it's called in English. Okay, pear is good. It can help you to encourage the production of collagen and protein nutrient that gives your skin the structure while maintaining up your skin. Okay, after that, I'm just going to dice my pear, then leave it in a bowl. The next thing that we'll be needing, guys, is just slice it little by little and make it the way it's going to smooth very well, because you want to allow it to smooth. Okay, so guys, after that, I added my ginger, which is going to help you to detox your skin and is going to help you to promote good skin. Okay, ginger is good for flattening, it's good to glow your skin, and it helps you in a lot of ways. And the next thing that we are adding is our lime orange. Lime orange is good for your skin. It will help your skin to look so fresh. So this drink is not just to detox. This drink is good for your skin, to glow your skin, and it's good to flatten your tummy, and it's good to detox your skin yourself after eating all this Christmas and New Year rice. The next thing that I'll go ahead and do, we are going to blend. We have cucumber, ginger, lime, and pineapple and spinach. The first thing that we'll go ahead and do, we are going to blend together. You guys, I did not forget the spinach. Okay, I'm going to blend this one first before we go ahead and blend the spinach, because the blender will not be enough and I want this juice to be a lot, because I want to detox myself for like 3 days. So this juice is for 3 days that I prepared for me and hubby. We drink it once a day. Okay, so after that, I'm going to blend very well. Add a full large cup of water. Then the next thing, you blend to your taste. Blend it very well until it's well smooth and all that. Okay, are you just see this channel for the first time? My name is Sarah. Please do consider to subscribe to my channel, so whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Compliment of the season, guys. Happy Christmas and New Year to you all. Thank you all for always watching my videos, for always subscribing, for always sharing. I've not been able to upload a video for like 1 week now. I am back now and I am back stronger. I'm going to be giving you guys a video 3 times a week, and you guys are going to be loving every video that I put on this channel. Okay, So guys, after blending, the next thing I was just stirring. Then after that, I'm going to blend my spinach, okay, which the blender did not contain before. Okay, here is me blending my spinach. After blending my spinach, the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm still going to stir, together. Make sure that they are all together. Then you turn it well together. After that, the next thing that you go ahead and do, add it to your jar. Okay, this is my jar. We have 3 jar that I'm going to be adding it to. So the first one, I'm going to turn it to my jar. Then after that, I'm going to turn the second one and the third one, which is going to be the end of this video. After that, drink, guys. Drink it once a day, and you are going to thank me later. This drink is good to detox yourself, for healthy, to promote healthy skin, and it's really nice for your tummy and for your head. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and I am going to be seeing you all on my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Please watch this video to the end. Bye.